I was chilling in my apartment and I started hearing barking.
Call the cops. Call PETA. Call everything, bro.
I have the worst upstairs neighbor in history. Let's take it back to January when I first moved into my apartment. Then I started hearing things. The only way I can really describe it is that it was like a rhythmic squeak.
Okay, but is it really though?
At first, I thought the person who lived above me was like cleaning their house and that was the
Maybe
sound their scrubber was making.